Gentlemen, let me ask you something important. Have your legs been feeling weaker, shakier, or more tired than they used to? Do you notice that climbing stairs takes more effort, or that standing for long periods leaves you drained? Maybe you even grip the railing a little tighter, or hesitate before getting out of a chair. Here's the shocking truth. Weak legs aren't just a normal part of aging. They are actually a warning sign, a signal that your body may be losing strength, circulation, or even essential nutrients. And if you ignore it, things can get worse, much worse. We're talking about dangerous falls, a loss of independence, or even life-threatening complications. But here's the good news. Once you understand the 5 hidden reasons behind leg weakness, you can take simple, natural steps to rebuild your strength and move with confidence again. So stay with me, because in the next 20 minutes we're going to uncover the 5 biggest reasons men lose leg strength after 60. The foods and exercises scientifically proven to restore your mobility, and real stories of seniors who turned things around and are walking stronger today than they were years ago. This isn't just about walking. It's about keeping your independence, your vitality, and your dignity. Now let's get started. Reason. #5 Muscle loss, sarcopenia. The first reason your legs are getting weaker after 60 is muscle loss, also known as sarcopenia. This is the gradual shrinking of muscle fibers that begins in your 30s, but accelerates dramatically after 60. By the time you reach your 80s, you could lose up to 30% of your muscle mass if you don't actively fight it. What does that mean for your legs? It means standing up from a chair feels harder. Walking long distances becomes exhausting. Climbing stairs feels like climbing a mountain. Signs of muscle loss include thinner thighs and calves, a feeling of heaviness in your legs, fatigue after just a short walk. The good news? Sarcopenia is not a one-way street. You can slow it down, even reverse it. What to do? Strength training. Simple moves like chair squats, leg lifts, and resistance band exercises can rebuild muscle. Protein intake. Focus on lean meats, fish, eggs, dairy, nuts, lentils, and beans. Your muscles need these building blocks. Daily movement. Even a 10 to 15 minute walk helps keep your muscle fibers active. Let me share a quick story. Frank, age 74, came to me saying he couldn't walk more than half a block without needing to sit. We added resistance band exercises 3 times a week, plus more protein in his diet, specifically salmon and Greek yogurt. Within 3 months, he walked into my office without a cane for the first time in years. His words? "Doc, I feel like I've got my legs back." Muscle loss is real, but it's not permanent. Reason number 4, poor circulation. Peripheral artery disease. The second hidden reason for weak legs is poor circulation, often due to peripheral artery disease or PAD. If your legs ever feel cold, numb, or cramp up when you walk, this may be the culprit. PAD happens when plaque builds up in your arteries, restricting blood flow to your legs. Without enough oxygen-rich blood, your muscles can't perform, so they feel heavy, tired, and weak. Signs of poor circulation include calf pain that improves when you sit, numbness or tingling in your legs, wounds on your feet or legs that heal slowly. PAD is serious. It's linked not just to weak legs, but also to heart disease and strokes. What to do? Daily walking, even around the house, forces your arteries to adapt and grow stronger. Stay hydrated. Water. keeps blood flowing smoothly. Limit salt. Excess sodium increases swelling and strain. Leg elevation and warm soaks improve blood return. And yes, food can make a big difference. Circulation boosting foods include beets packed with nitrates that your body converts into nitric oxide, widening blood vessels. Spinach, rich in nitrates, magnesium, and potassium for blood flow. Tart cherry juice reduces inflammation and boosts circulation. I had a 72-year-old patient, Robert, a retired firefighter. He told me he couldn't play soccer with his grandson anymore. I recommended tart cherry juice each morning, plus beets twice a week. Within 10 days, he texted me a video of himself running in the park.
His exact words, "I feel like I walk like I'm 50 again."
Gentlemen, circulation is life. Protect it, and your legs will thank you. Reason number 3, nerve damage. Peripheral neuropathy. The third reason older men struggle with weak legs is nerve damage, or peripheral neuropathy. Do your legs or feet feel tingly, numb, burning, or like you're walking on a sponge? That's neuropathy. It affects nearly 1 in 3 seniors, especially men with diabetes, prediabetes, or vitamin deficiencies. Causes include high blood sugar damaging nerves over time, low vitamin B12, which is essential for nerve health, alcohol use or certain medications. Neuropathy doesn't just cause discomfort, it disrupts the connection between your brain and legs, leading to weakness, imbalance, and falls. What to do? Monitor blood sugar, keep it stable. Eat B12-rich foods, eggs, dairy, leafy greens. Avoid excess alcohol. It accelerates nerve damage. Massage and movement. Gentle foot massages improve nerve signals. Take George, 69. He described his feet as numb blocks of wood. We added daily B12 supplementation, swapped soda for water, and incorporated gentle foot massages with warm oil. In 6 weeks, his sensation improved so much that he could walk barefoot on the grass again, something he hadn't felt in years.
He said, "Doc, I can finally feel the ground again."
If you're noticing numbness, don't ignore it. Neuropathy can be slowed, but only if you act early. Reason number 2, spinal problems, sciatica and herniated discs. The fourth hidden cause is something many men overlook. Your spine. Your lower back controls the nerves that power your legs. If you have a herniated disc, spinal stenosis, or even years of poor posture, those nerves can get pinched, causing pain, numbness, or weakness down your legs. Symptoms include pain radiating from your back into your legs, one leg feeling weaker than the other, numbness in the feet or toes. What to do? Gentle back stretches, knee to chest seated spinal twists. Don't sit too long. Get up every 30 minutes. Use lumbar support. Reduce pressure on your lower spine. Strengthen your core. It supports your spine, protecting your legs. One of my patients, Alan, 67, came in saying he felt his right leg was giving out. MRI scans showed spinal stenosis. Instead of rushing to surgery, we began with daily stretching, posture correction, and swimming for low-impact exercise. 3 months later, he walked into my office and said, "Doc, I haven't felt this strong in years." Remember to protect your legs, protect your spine. Reason number 1, electrolyte imbalance, magnesium and potassium deficiency. Finally, the number 1 hidden reason your legs feel weak after 60 is electrolyte imbalance. specifically low magnesium and potassium. Have you ever woken up with a painful leg cramp in the middle of the night? Or felt sudden weakness out of nowhere? That's usually a mineral problem. Low potassium causes muscle spasms, weakness, even irregular heartbeats. Low magnesium causes twitching, fatigue, restless legs, and here's the kicker: most older adults are deficient in both. What to do? Eat potassium-rich foods, bananas, oranges, spinach, avocados. Eat magnesium-rich foods, almonds, dark chocolate, beans, whole grains. Drink plenty of water. Dehydration makes cramps worse. Try an Epsom salt bath before bed. Magnesium absorbs through your skin. Relaxing muscles. Margaret, age 78, told me her legs cramped so badly at night that she dreaded going to bed. We added a daily magnesium supplement, plus spinach and avocado in her diet. Within a week, she reported sleeping through the night, pain-free. She said, "I feel like my legs belong to me again." Sometimes, the smallest nutrients make the biggest difference. 5 powerful foods for ligase, TR, ENG, THB before we wrap up. Here are 5 science-backed foods I recommend to men over 60 for stronger legs. Beets improve circulation almost immediately. Spinach provides magnesium, potassium, and nitrates. Salmon, rich in protein, vitamin D, and omega-3 south for muscle repair. Tart cherry juice reduces inflammation and speeds recovery. Bone broth, packed with collagen and amino acids to repair joints and muscles. Gentlemen, weak legs are not just an inconvenience. They're a warning sign. Whether it's muscle loss, poor circulation, nerve damage, spinal issues, or mineral imbalance, your body is telling you something. And the truth is, you can take action today. Walk every day, even for 5 minutes. Eat more protein and nutrient-rich foods. Balance your minerals. Stretch and strengthen your spine. To do this, and you can keep your legs strong, your independence intact, and your confidence alive. Now you have 2 choices. Ignore these warnings and risk losing more strength each year. Or start today and feel stronger in as little as 12 hours. If you're ready to take back your strength, type in the comments, "I am ready." And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more senior health tips, and share it with a friend who needs stronger legs. Gentlemen, your journey to stronger, healthier legs starts today.